I'm Miss Tony. You are
Bailey.
We are going to do our tutoring that we did not finish, right?
WX.
Okay. So remind me, what word is this?
I.
I. Can you trace I for me? Good. Okay. What word is not that one? What word is this? Oh, good. And how do you spell Just the letter A. Can you trace the letter A for me? A. Oh, with your finger. Good. Okay. Show me how it starts on the plane line. Go like a C all the way up and down. Thank you. All right. What is this word? The. Can you trace it and spell T-H-E? The. What about this word?
And.
Good. How do I spell and? A-N. D. And. Very good. Those are trick words, aren't they? Okay. Did a nice job with that. All right. So yesterday we had some practice with our words and spelling them out. So what I did today was I brought 3 little hearts, and we're going to use these to map out our sounds, okay? So if I said the word I, G, my first sound would be P. My second sound would be I, and my third sound would be G. I, G. So let me clean up the face. Good. So how do I write the P sound?
You go.
Can you put that letter in the box? Good, because P says P. Okay. This next sound was I. How do I make that sound? Good, except when we make an I, we always start at the plane line and we go down. Okay. Go down and then dot. Good. P-I. And my last sound was G. G. Do you know how to make that sound? It starts like a C.
C.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
And curve around like hook.
Curve around.
Well, not so much of a curve like this. We haven't learned that sound yet, or how to make that. So we have I, G.
Pig.
Okay, can you write it all together on the lines? Start at the plane line for your P, please. Oh wait, listen. Do you remember how to do a P? Okay, we did it the other day. Let me remind you. Can I borrow this? Sit up. Okay, starting at the plane. Sit up, sweetheart. Just sit in your chair. Okay, I'll show you. Sit on your bottom. There we go. Now watch. If I start the plane, I go down to worm, trace back up, and around like that. There's your P. And then your I comes next. And then what's the last sound?
G.
G. G makes the G sound. And that is how we use those lines. Okay? Let's try a different one. Maybe one with a letter that's a little bit easier for you to write. Okay, that's all right. So I'm going to have you set your marker down. And you're going to do all this. And I'm going to help you, okay? So I'm going to give you your 3 hearts for your 3 sounds. Now, the word you're going to be, look at me, is going to be the word sit. What's the word? Sit. Okay, so we have
Sit.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and spell each sound. What was my first sound? Good. Go ahead and put that sound right in here. Okay. Perfect. All right. What was my next sound? Mm-hmm. What was my last sound? The word is sit.
It.
There, and that's how we map out our word. Now we use the guiding lines to write it correctly. Show me a lowercase s. Starts underneath that plane line. There you go. Good.
Now I.
Starts where? Plane line, close to the S. Oh, you got to get it closer because we're making a word. So put it right next to that, starting at the plane line. Starting at the plane line. Okay, and what's the next letter?
G.
Make sure it's close. Very good. Starting at that skyline. Good. Oh, my goodness. What word did you write?
Sit.
Good. Can you give me one finger space? And I want you to write that word one more time. You can look there. Good.
gotta get that.
Oh, don't start. Very.
Very close.
Skyline. Skyline.
Skyline.
You made the word sit. I think we're ready for our little assessment here. Now we've got our brain warmed up. All right. Are you ready? We're going to look right. Oh, wrong one. We're going to look right here. Okay. Let's look at this word. Can you tap it out and read that word for me? Okay. How about this word?
Mat.
Good. How about this word?
At mat.
Okay. How about that word? Can you read the trick word? Goodness. Which trick word is that? Which trick word is that? Good. Now we're going to look at some sentences. Can you read this first sentence? Oh, that's a trick word.
Oh.
What's that word?
Sat.
So our sentence says, I sat. All right, let's look at this next sentence.
I sat at the mat.
Good. I sat at the mat. You read that whole sentence. Let's look at this one down here.
I at the mat.
I pat the
mat.
mat. Good. Can you remind me, what is this word right up here?
That's I.
It is I. That says I, doesn't it? We looked at this one yesterday. Do you remember this one? Okay. There's my word I.
We circled it.
And there's another word I.
I.
Yup.
I.
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 Do you see any other trick words in here?
Think. And.
Oh, how do you spell and?
A-N-D.
Can you circle all the and words? There's one. Careful, only circle those letters. You don't want to circle the other words. Good. Mm-hmm. All right. Are you ready to read this for me? Let's do it.
I is
Nope, we're going to tap it out.
sit.
Okay, so it's I sit.
I tap.
I tap. Good.
Or
No, this is an I.
if
I
I tap.
I
Tap.
That's okay. Sit.
Sit. And I tap.
Good. It says I sit and I tap. How about this one?
I tap.
Mm-hmm.
And I sit.
Good.
Kid.
Him.
And I it sit.
Sit. And last line.
It pit.
Him.
And I tap.
What are you doing? You're doing what two things in the sentence? You're
Tapping.
and
Sitting.
tapping and sitting. Can you draw a little picture of that story that you just read?
I'm gonna. Oh, this is my hand.
Okay.
I'm tapping. Like we had those are in here. That's my water bottle. It's in my book bag.
Okay.
My book bag is.
So are you tapping? Yeah. And what else do you need to be doing in your picture?
There's also trick words.
Okay. You're tapping. What else do you need to draw? You're tapping and doing what else? Do you remember our story, Bailey? Says you were tapping and sitting. Can you draw yourself sitting too?
There's a bench, but I just want to lay on it.
You want to lay, but what does the story say? It doesn't say I lay. It says I
Sit.
sit. Right. So we have to make sure that our picture matches our story. Very nice job. Is that your chair?
Yes.
It is. Okay. You did a good job. Are you all done?
Yes.
Yes. All right. We can wait. And I can bring you back to class.
Can I have a sticker?
Yes, of course. You did an excellent job today.
Wow. Can I have two? Not two stickers.
How about just one? Because we're going to